What's up guys, it's Logan at Vaporleaf here. Today we're going to be going to check out the National Vape Expo. I'm excited to see it, so let's pack up and head out. Alright guys, so we just showed up to the Vape Expo. We're going to see how it goes. I'm excited, there's a lot of people here. Let's see how it is. It's so nice to meet you, sir.
Oh, yes. We're out here, and we're having fun doing the vape. Yeah, are we on the vlog right now?
Yeah.
Tell the haters to f*** off, dude, because they're not Treyway like your boy, dude.
We're over here with Vapor Game. We're about to spin up some Claptons. Alright guys, so the Vape Expo has been pretty sweet. We might be getting out of here pretty soon to let our coworkers come check it out. You guys should definitely come down. There's a lot of cool stuff here. A lot of cool people to meet. I think I saw the artist formerly known as Blake Vapes. But yeah, there's a lot of sick stuff around here. You can try flavors, you can buy mods, lots of great deals on stuff. You should definitely check it out. Alright, we just got back from the expo, had a great time. I definitely recommend you guys go check it out. And before I forget, we do have some Vape Expo deals going on right now, so be sure to check those out. I'll put a link in the description for you as well. Thanks so much for coming along. I'll see you next time.